2021 was extremely eventful for the e-commerce world. As year is running out, let's take a retrospective look at the news that highlighted headlines. You'll learn what the major players on the market have been up to and which new Magento features arrived. The first 2 months of the year were quite challenging for e-commerce. All we heard about were new trends in customer behavior and extreme growth of product returns. Just last year, product returns were at around 30%. By the start of 2021, they grew to 70%. Such a number of returns can take a toll even on the highest and biggest businesses, let alone medium e-commerce stores. Amazon and Walmart refunded customers and asked them to keep the product in some cases since it was more financially available for the company. The processing of one product return is around $15 to $20 in average, and we can only guess how much retailers lost because of it. Many brands set on a mission to get customers to keep things that they bought online. Some even rated customers based on their return history, just like credit rating firms tally customers. Retailers started to introduce virtual fitting rooms to help customers to make the right choice without the need to order a few sizes of the clothes that they like. Thankfully, the situation with product returns seems to have stabilized lately, but many merchants have changed their return policies already to protect their businesses. By the way, Amazon managed to earn the name of the most downloaded shopping apps in the USA in 2020. Seems like the pandemic lockdown wasn't the bad for the company. We'll see how the company performed this year. It's safe to say that Adobe news dominated the market during spring. In March, Adobe killed Magento Commerce. Well, not literally, but still. The company renamed Magento Commerce into Adobe Commerce in an effort to consolidate the names of its licensed products. It seems like the whole era had come to an end. The same month, the company released a very useful solution, the Upgrade Compatibility Tool. The tool makes sure that all your customizations are compatible with new Magento releases. The solution returns a list of critical issues, errors and warnings that must be addressed before upgrading to the latest version of Adobe Commerce. It also identifies potential problems that must be fixed in your code before attempting to upgrade to a newer version of Adobe Commerce. As a result, merchants have all the necessary tools to automatically detect any customizations that might pose problems after they upgrade or even cause costly store downtime. In May, Adobe announced the addition of Adobe Live Search. The new search system is built on Adobe Sensei. This artificial intelligence system powers the key features of the search, such as personalized experience, automatic assigning of facets, and robust search rules. Adobe Live Search appeared to replace the outdated native Magento search. Low speed has always been its main drawback, and Live Search solves this and many other problems. The list of features is extensive and includes fast and intelligent search results, simple search, management simple, management for merchants, and advanced reporting. Adobe Live Search is search as a service hosted across different platforms such as Amazon Web Services. As a result, it provides a high speed of query processing. Adobe Live Search is available for Adobe Commerce and Adobe Commerce Cloud. Owners of the stores on Magento Open Source need to use the native search or one of the third-party options. You can learn more about the key Magento search solutions in our video. Adobe also signed a few significant partnerships, such as agreement with fraud prevention system Forte and EasyShip, one of the leading multi-carrier shopping platforms. This summer, the Magento community celebrated the first Magento 1 end-of-life anniversary. Well, while the community celebrated, we wanted to cry our eyes out. And not because we loved Magento 1 so much, it's far from it. More than a year after sunset of Magento 1, there is still around 53,000 e-commerce stores running on Magento 1. Seems like these merchants are cut out from the world and don't hear about the dangers looming over their businesses. In June, Adobe introduced the most important feature released in 2021, Page Builder. All stores owners have been waiting for this upgrade for many years. The new feature clearly lives. No doubt, Magento listens to the clients and works on becoming a much easier platform to use. Page Builder streamlines the processes of all departments, from sales to marketing. Before the Page Builder release, the creation of a new pages had been a struggle for sellers. They need to dive into a code and in most cases turn to developers to help. Even the slightest changes required work with code. The new Page Builder solves the problems once for all. Merchants can now create new pages by dragging and dropping elements and preview how the content looks on the storefront, including blocks, CMS pages, product and category pages, and even dynamic content. Page Builder also allows creating templates of existing pages and applying them to new pages. It streamlines the process if you want to A/B test some content or need to create a few similar pages for products. In August, Adobe made Page Builder available for Magento open source. Now sellers on this platform version can also use this tool in their everyday work. Page Builder brings a number of benefits for sellers, such as the ability to create new pages without developers, higher cost efficiency, faster changes to the website and its content, and the ability to streamline marketing efforts. Thanks to the integration of Adobe Stock, you can add high-quality media assets to the website right from the admin panel, and the Media Gallery Image Optimization feature improves performance and decreases media file size on the storefront. The end of summer will remember thanks to Tiffany and its failure in marketing. Not Your Mother's Tiffany campaign. Thanks to the company, we now know what's trying to lure new customers. You can't forget about the most devoted ones. Autumn has traditionally brought along a lot of changes and valuable lessons, starting with Apple's privacy feature that allows users to choose what private data to choose and which apps. The company introduced the updates in April this year and continued its efforts in iOS 15. The New York Times reported that around 80% of iPhone users opted out of being tracked. Turns out companies can already feel the impact of the update, especially if we talked about direct-to-customer businesses. For example, marketers have noticed that ads performance on Facebook has dropped recently. In the past, companies couldn't segment all data by age, location and gender, but the system no longer attributes the purchase data to any of segments. Facebook itself recommends giving the system at least 72 hours before measuring any performance. Advertisers have no longer access to real-time data on their campaigns. Less data means more problems and higher ads budgets. Facebook failure created another disruption on market. At the start of October, Facebook went down for 6 hours, impacting e-commerce sales even more. Researchers calculated that small businesses lost around $5,000 in sales. The impact on businesses that rely on Facebook for sales and marketing was even higher. It seems Facebook might be losing its footprint as the most popular social media platform in the e-commerce world. On the other hand, Amazon has nothing to worry about. For many customers, product search starts and ends on Amazon. In fact, 92% of US consumers are more likely to buy via Amazon than from any other e-commerce website. Turns out you have either selling on Amazon or losing potential customers. And finally, this year holiday season will bring around $220 billion in e-commerce sales. That's an 11 to 15% year-over-year growth. Overall sales will total up to $103 billion. Exciting news, right? But we'll know the real numbers in the middle of January. We'll get back with a new video soon. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.